Hey growers, what's up? You won't believe what I've just stumbled upon. No cap, it's crazy. There's this brand new AI video generator called Kling AI, and it's officially out there for everyone to use. The quality is seriously next level, like you've gotta see it to believe it. Check out these clips I made. First up, we've got this animated, futuristic cityscape. Just look at the tiny details, the pedestrian movements, zero warping or distortion. It's like a 3D model straight out of a movie. And here's a scene with glowing fairies under a sky filled with constellations and shooting stars. The fairies, the lighting, the dynamic movement, it's all so real. Guys, I'm telling you, Kling AI is on par with, if not better than, anything out there right now. And, trust me, I've tried a lot of these tools. I even gave the popular historical video prompt, like ancient Rome marketplace, bustling merchants, traders haggling, and Roman citizens in action. The building of Rome marketplace in motion are so accurate. It's super cool. Alright, so if you want to get in on this action, here's what you gotta do. Head over to klingguide.com. Links are down in the description. Sign up is easy peasy, just an email and a password. You'll get a verification email with a passcode to log in. Once you're in, the homepage is fire. You'll see a gallery of top videos and images created by other users. Click on a video, zoom in, and you can even check out the prompts and settings they used. Now, let's jump into making a video. There are two main options, text to video and image to video. We'll start with text to video. I'm gonna enter the prompt, a kitten handing a rose to the camera smiling. In the settings, there's a slider to control how creative you want the AI to be. Push it to relevance if you want it to stick to the prompt, or crank it to creativity for more artistic freedom. There's also a mode for generation and length. Right now, it's limited to high performance and 5-second clips. You can switch up the aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, square, and add some camera movement. I'm gonna try a zoom. The gray box shows the first frame, and the teal box shows the last frame. Below that, you can add a negative prompt. This is where you type in stuff like distort, blurry, low res, anything you don't want in your video. Here's a tip. The video generates in like 2 to 3 minutes, and it looks solid. But the camera motion can be intense, so keep that slider in check if you don't want too much movement. Click the downwards arrow to download. Check out this eating video. I used the same settings, and the prompt is, a young girl excitedly takes a bite of a hot cheesy slice of pizza, savoring the flavors with a satisfied smile as melted cheese stretches between the slice and her mouth. Let's switch it up and try the image to video feature. I'm uploading a race car pic, and I'm gonna keep the settings simple. The negative prompt stays the same, and I've gotta say, these motion videos are looking really good so far. But the exciting thing, I also uploaded a giraffe image and prompted to make him talking, and I got this result. So Kling AI may have some quirks, but the potential here is real, and I'm hyped to see where this goes. So if you want to start generating your own AI videos, give Kling AI a shot. And if you're into this kind of tools, check out my tutorial on Hyper and Pixverse AI tutorial. Trust me, you won't regret it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.